we love the holidays. We have a few family recipes, so we'd love to share those. So at Kroger, we have 4 wines. So we have a Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. From California, we have a red blend. And then we have a sparkling Brut Rosé and a Chardonnay. With the red blend, we feel like the perfect pairing is we have a chocolate jalapeno short rib, slow cooked 4 or 5 hours. It's just like the perfect.
You're so happy talking about this.
Yes, I know.
Wow, it sounds wonderful.
Yeah, it's so good. It's just, harmonious with the red blend.
It's easy to harmonize food with that red blend because it's so balanced. It's just got the perfect balance of fruit and acidity and tannin.
What is another family recipe?
The goat cheese tart.
Yes.
With the Sauvignon Blanc.
Yes.
It's a favorite. Mm-hmm. We do that one every year.
Is it a savory tart or a sweet tart?
It's a savory tart.
Nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sounds great.
And then I think the Chardonnay is incredibly versatile. But actually,
that's my turkey wine.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We do drink a lot of Chard with the turkey.
We do.
Yeah. It's the holidays and it's festive, and I just feel like bubbles goes with just people and hanging out.